My video guide is about getting rid of the new adware type application called Videos. There is a special file called Videos.exe, which means that this is a special executable file. Videos is a special application and it operates as adware. It belongs to the Chrome loader malware family. Videos.exe is an advertising supported application that shows unwanted advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. We discovered this Videos app after downloading a VHD file from a deceptive page. It's important to mention that Chrome loader apps usually come with other potentially malicious programs. The problem with this Videos adware is that you cannot find it in the control panel in the list of the programs. You can of course check the list of such programs, but you won't find it. But still, your browser may periodically display a lot of advertisements by this Videos adware. You may though find a special process called nwjs. You may right click on it and select the option to open file location, which will bring you to this Videos folder in the roaming folder, and you will find this Videos executable file. So this is the way the adware is. This adware displays some intrusive advertisements that can open various scam websites and other shady resources. Anyway, if you have found this Videos adware on your computer, the only correct conclusion is to remove it. To remove this adware and other types of malware from your system, my recommendation is that you carefully research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.